Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jess. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess. I'm excited because I'm finally sitting down getting ready to play with some makeup. I don't know about you, but for the last couple of weeks since the world's been all in a hoo-ha lately, I haven't really been mentally feeling up to playing with makeup, but I am today and I'm excited because I've got the Makeup Revolution Animal Integrity palette. I believe that's what it's called. It's really pretty. I love me some animal print, obviously. So we're gonna get some color on my eyeballs. I've already done my base because at the moment I've got really terrible acne. So that's a thing. I'm 35, not 16 skin. Like, you know, calm your farm. But yeah, I've actually had this palette for a little while. But I've not played with it. As you can see, it's still brand new. But how pretty are those shades? That's what she looks like. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. So yes, I'm gonna do a look, do a review. Let's get into it, shall we? Alrighty, so there's 18 brilliant colors in to be brilliant, but I've zoomed in a little bit, so you're welcome being this close to my face. And it comes with a big ass mirror, which is actually really good, and honestly don't know what look to do because there's so many colors, and it does look a bit higgledy-piggledy like within the pan. Like the colors don't seem to match up, and I can't, which is why I probably haven't actually played with this palette yet, because I haven't really worked out looks with it. So I'm gonna give it a go. I've got my brushes, they're all drugstore. Okay, so what I did, I just grabbed my little mud makeup contour palette and I just added lightly through my crease because I do have hooded eyes, and it's just what I like to do because I've got hooded eyes, so that's a thing. Like there's matte shades in there, but like I didn't want to dive right on into color like straight into the mattes, but like into the crease, if that makes sense. Try that. That's actually a really nice yellow. It's blending out really easily. That's a really good yellow. Very impressed with that yellow. Really, really smooth, pigmented yellow. Like that's gorgeous. And with that yellow, I think I'm actually going to do like a sunset moment. Because why not? I've got the colors, may as well use them. I'm going to take the orange. They're applying really, really well. They're not going muddy or into each other where it's just like the one shade. That's so pretty. That gradient is actually really, really pretty. These mattes that I've been using are outstanding mattes. I'm thinking about putting in the pink shade just more tucked into my crease. It's more of a satin shimmer, but it's still blending into those mattes beautifully. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that orange. They're blending beautifully. So they're blending out really, really well. They're not going patchy. It's super smooth. And they're not clinging onto any weird bits of my dry skin that I've got at the moment on my eyelids. I think for the lid shade, that color, I love how vibrant it's turning out. Alright, so for the lower lash line, I'm thinking of doing a mixture of that pink and that purple there. And then adding a bit of that purple. That's really pretty. Corner highlight, I'm going to take that really pretty champagne-y color. And then on the eye, oh, my eyes are watering. I'm actually really impressed with the pigmentation of this palette, especially because I believe it's $24 at Priceline. And to finish off the look, I just put the champagne-y color in my inner corner and then this color on my eyebrow because my eyes were watering really, really bad. So yay for watery eyes. But yeah. Absolutely gorgeous pigmentation, super smooth, didn't go muddy, and I didn't actually prime my eyes as such. I just used the foundation on my eyelids and set it as the base. So now I'll do some swatches. Yeah, that's some swatches. Really, really happy with the formula of this palette. I do have a couple of other Makeup Revolution palettes that I do really enjoy, so they've really upped their quality in the last few years because I haven't really touched them for a good while, but I'm really enjoying them. Let me know if you like Makeup Revolution and if I should try anything else from the range, and see you guys in another video soon.